Hello, it's Davita, and welcome back to Abstract and Flow. Today, I am doing a very simple pour. 3 colors, something that everyone has. So if you like to try it, I want you to try it. Because I'm trying it after seeing one of my poor sisters use the very same colors, and her name is Chandra Bailey. She does some amazing work. I don't think she has a YouTube channel, but she has an Instagram account, and I will put that below. I want you all to go check her out. She has a little shop called the Canvas Bar, and I believe it's in Atlanta. I'm not sure. She does paint classes for kids. She is just a very good artist. So go check out Chandra Bailey at the Canvas Bar. So let me show you what colors I'm working with, and then we're going to get this pour started. So the 3 colors that I am working with today: white, black, and red. Now, if you don't have black, white, and red in your arsenal of colors, shame on you. This is what, let's do this. Let's look at the consistencies. And let's see. This one is just plain old Amsterdam titanium white mixed with, let's see, the white is 8 ounces of floetrol, 1.5 ounces of GAC, 2 ounces of the titanium white. Very fluid. For my black, same. 8 ounces of floetrol. I used about 1.5 ounces of, this is Windsor Newton Mars Blk. And let's see here. Yep, very fluid. No mound. And then here's our red, which is leaving a mound, which I don't want, but it's Liquitex Cadmium Red Deep Hue. So I'm going to add just a tad of water to this. I do not want a mound. I want the paints for this project to be very fluid. The cadmium, since I don't really need a lot, was only 6 ounces of floetrol, 1 ounce, maybe 1.2 ounces of the paint, and 1 ounce of the GAC. That's better. Okay. So these are the 3 colors I'm working with. Now we're going to move over to the canvas, and let's put some paint on it. All right, here we go. We're going to make a little puddle of red. I'm sorry, black. right here. And this is a repurposed canvas that has been sanded. And the, of course, sides have been covered. I swear I cannot talk today, but you know what I'm trying to say. Put this right there. So we're going to start off with black and white. OMG, black and red. Very simple pour, but I'm hoping that the outcome is very elegant and beautiful. Okay, let's pop some of these bubbles I see. I'm going to try to keep most of the red and the black at the top of the canvas. Okay. Now I actually wanted more black than red. So this is what we're going to do. Now, I actually did not want any sails. I should have kept it a little thicker. But we're going to let it do what it do. Because obviously, it wants to pearl up. I'm not doing pearls today. I'm doing, something simple and elegant. You're not cooperating with me. All right. So now we're going to move down on this side. And let's see. I think I want more black in this area here. This is what you call erasing what you don't want. Okay. Let's torch it a little bit. I wasn't hoping or looking for any pearls, but we got them and I like them. All right, folks. Am I in focus? Did you see what I was doing? There we go. Yes. I think it turned out real nice. Okay. Well, you pearl fans out there, they're your pearls. I didn't come on to do a pearl pour, but hey, they seem to follow me wherever I go. I really like this 3-color black, white, and red pour. Give it a go and let me know in the comments if you do. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, all of your support. Stay safe. Stay blessed. See you next pour. Bye-bye.